What if the same app that delivers your grocery in just 10 minutes could also save your life? Yes, you heard that right. Blinkit India's quick commerce giant has just launched an ambulance service in Gurugram. This surprising move has caught everyone's attention, not just as healthcare initiative, but as bold business strategy. The problem: India's emergency healthcare system has long faced serious challenges. Ambulance arrive late due to traffic, poor coordination, or lack of availability. Thousands of lives are lost each year simply because medical help doesn't arrive on time. This gap has created an urgent need for faster, reliable, or tech-driven emergency response system. Blinkit Move. Blinkit, best known for revolutioning grocery delivery with 10-minute model, is now applying the same speed-driven logistic to healthcare. With the new service in Gurugram, Blinkit aims to provide quicker ambulance response time, use real-time location tracking to dispatch help efficiently, potentially partner with hospital and medical profession for end-to-end support. In short, Blinkit is trying to merge technology, speed, and healthcare into a life-saving initiative. Business strategies behind the move. But here is the biggest question: why is Blinkit doing this? There are several strategic reasons. Diversification. Moving beyond grocery and essential into a new sector. Brand trust. Strengthening its image as a company that care about society. Social responsibility. Positioning itself as a pioneer in life-saving initiative. Future expansion. Tapping into huge healthcare and emergency service market in India. This is not a charity effort. It's a calculated move that could reshape Blinkit business model, market impact and opportunities. If successful, Blinkit ambulance service could create a new business category where quick commerce meet healthcare, pressure other players like Zepto, Swiggy, Instamart and Denso to innovate in similar ways, open opportunities for healthcare partnership and insurance tie-ups, scale across other cities, creating a nationwide emergency response network. Simply put, this could a game changer for healthcare and quick commerce industries. Risk and challenges. Of course, the road ahead would not be easy. Ambulance services are highly regulated and scaling them require government approvals. Building trust is a critical in healthcare. There is a no room for errors. Infrastructure and cost challenges could make it hard to expand profitably. If Blinkit fails to deliver quality, here it is risk damaging its brand reputation. Conclusion: Blinkit's move is a more than just a service launch, it is a statement for delivering grocery to delivering hope and life. This is the bold step that could redefine the role of a startup in India. But here is the real question: is Blinkit ambulance service a game-changing innovation or just a clever PR stunt? Share your thought in comment below, and if you enjoyed the case study, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for deep dives into business strategies and its startup innovations. कल फिर मिलते हैं.